Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Lift the wiper arm into its service position and rest a towel on the hood to protect paint. You'll see a small metal spring clip at the blade arm connection. This clip holds the blade in the hook or pin adapter. Use your thumbnail or a flat tool to depress the clip slightly so the blade can slide. Once released, pull the blade downward and off the arm, steady pressure, because the spring will try to snap the arm back toward the glass. Now remove the used blade by sliding it out of the hook or by pressing the adapter tab and pulling the blade free. You do this to avoid forcing a mismatched adapter. Different cars use J-hook, pin, bayonet, or side lock styles. Once the old blade is off, compare the new blade's adapter and rotate it so the clip faces the same way as the original. This alignment ensures the clip will engage properly when you reinsert the blade into the arm. Attach the replacement blade by sliding it into the arm's hook or snapping the adapter into place until you hear a click. This tells you the clip locked. Once attached, lower the arm gently onto the windshield so the rubber sits flat. Make sure to run the wipers at low speed and check for streaking, skipping, or chatter. If skipping happens, recheck clip alignment and the adapter orientation. Replace the clip or adapter if bent, because a damaged clip prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.